Hey everyone, okay, so today is a different video completely, and it's a nice one as well. So it's time to pay it forward. I think that it's very important, especially sometimes I look at the amount of subscribers I have and I truly wonder how I ever got there. And when you see so many other wonderful people on YouTube who are so talented, I mean, I am quite literally the accidental makeup artist. I don't have any natural artistic skills, none of that stuff. And there are so many wonderfully talented people on YouTube who deserve to have higher numbers of subscribers and followers. So this is what this video is about. Now the link is in the description bar. In case you don't want to watch it all, just click it and subscribe. Very simple. So this video is hopefully that you will follow Mel Thompson, and link is down there. So I actually first became aware of her and her incredible talent because she used my brushes, and that's how I came about finding her. And unlike my videos, which are basically like review videos where I'll go, this is no good, and that's the end of the video, hers are much more intricate, they are much more advanced, and they go into depth on things in an incredibly entertaining and honest way. She's incredibly honest about products, but her makeup skills are amazing. The look she creates on herself, it's extraordinary. So very talented and so incredibly humble. And I watched one of her videos a while back, and I wanted to reach out to her because I wanted to talk to her about a few things, but also because I respected her because she just seems so lovely, and I very much want to be around lovely people. And we had a conversation, and it was over FaceTime, and it was so nice because she was so lovely and humble and kind, and just who she was on screen. And I wanted to show her some of the prototypes from my makeup line that's coming. And I'll speak about that in another video because it's just been a nightmare. So I wanted to show her these things, and I just came off the phone. When I came off of the FaceTime call with her, it was just like a sigh of relief that there are good people out there, because on YouTube and Instagram it can feel very ugly a lot of the time, and she is a good human. That's why I want you to go and follow her, not just because she's wonderful or talented, but because she's just special. She's lovely, and that's really what matters. And ironically, as I was about to film this morning I clicked on a video of hers, and it was her favourites video, and right at the end of the video there was a whole little section about me, which it was the nicest thing I think anybody has ever said about me. And when you live with yourself, you don't always feel that great about yourself because you see yourself every day and it's not that great, and you know, all the other things. And it was the nicest thing I'd ever heard, and it, you know, I had a little cry. It was that nice, and no one has ever spoken about me in that way before in my whole life. And there is this stranger who is saying something about me that no one else has ever said, and it was lovely. I hope that you go and follow her and you subscribe to her and you give her some love because she very much deserves it. And thank you for watching this different video, but it's time to pay it forward to wonderful people out there who deserve to have higher numbers and more recognition. And I truly believe that it is only a matter of time before she becomes an absolute superstar on YouTube. Thanks so much. See you all soon. Bye-bye.